Greetings everyone. Today we will discuss NCERT examples. See example number 9.6.
A bullet of mass 20 grams is horizontally fired with a velocity 150 meters per second from a pistol of mass 2 kg. What is the recoil velocity of the pistol? See what is given. Mass of bullet is given. Mass of bullet, let's say small m, is 20 grams. We can write 20 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 3 kg. Fired with a velocity 150 meters per second. Velocity of bullet. Let's say small v, that is equal to 150 meters per second. From a pistol of mass 2 kg, mass of pistol is given. Let's say capital M, that is equal to 2 kg. Let us consider recoil velocity of pistol is capital V. See, before firing, the pistol and the bullet makes one system. So, total momentum before firing is total mass, that is mass of the bullet and mass of the pistol, multiplied by initial velocity. Initially the pistol was at rest, so its initial velocity is 0. So total momentum before firing is 0. You can write the units mass kg and velocity meters per second. So total momentum after firing is the momentum of the bullet, that is mass multiplied by velocity, plus momentum of the pistol, mass of the pistol and recoil velocity. You can put the values here. Mass of the bullet is 20 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 3. Velocity is 150 plus mass of the pistol is 2 into V. So according to law of conservation of linear momentum, total momentum before firing, that is 0, is equal to total momentum after firing, that is 20 divided by 1000 into 150 plus 2p. Now solve it. 0 0 cancel out. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 2 2. Its 0 is equal to 3 plus 2v. We can write 2v is equal to minus 3 and v is minus 3 by 2. That is v is minus 1.5 meters per second. So this is the recoil velocity of the pistol.
Now let's discuss example 9.7.
Now see, a girl of mass 40 kg jumps with a horizontal velocity 5 meters per second onto a stationary cart with frictionless wheels. The mass of the cart is 3 kg what is her velocity as the cart starts moving. Let us consider V be the velocity of girl when cart starts moving. In this question, mass of girl is given. Let's say small m, that is equal to 40 kg, and her horizontal velocity is given. That means velocity of girl before cart starts moving, that is small v, you can say 5 meters per second. Mass of cart is given. Mass of cart, let's say capital M, is 3 kg. We have to find out the velocity of the girl when the cart starts moving. The total momentum of girl and cart before interaction. That is, initially the momenta of the girl is mass of the girl, that is small m, and velocity small v plus mass of the cart, and velocity of the cart initially was 0 because cart was initially at rest. So here I am writing 0. That is mv. You can put values here. 40 multiplied by 5. That is 200 kg meters per second. Now total momentum of girl and cart after interaction. After interaction, girl and cart makes one system. So their masses will be added. M plus capital M, and both will move with common velocity, that is V. So we can put the masses here. 40 plus mass of the cart is 3, that is V. According to law of conservation of momentum, total momentum before interaction, that is 200, is equal to total momentum after interaction, that is 40 plus 3 multiplied by V. We get 200 is equal to 43V, and V is 200 divided by 43, and it will be approx 4.6 meters per second.
That's all. Thank you.